capacitor. Let's move on to the video. This is LDR. The full form of LDR is light dependent resistor. Now let's see the connection. First, I am going to do the basic connection. A12 to positive and J12 to negative. Now I am going to pin the LDR. One leg in I25 and another leg in positive. Red. The LED long leg goes to J25. Short leg goes to negative. Let's check. Now I am going to give power to the breadboard. See, when I put my finger on LDR, the LED glows dim. When I take off my hand, the LED glows brightly. This is the principle used in auto brightness in our mobile phone. Let's go to capacitor. This is capacitor. Now I am going to give connection. The LED's connection is long leg goes to positive, short leg goes to negative. And the capacitor connection also, long leg goes to positive and short leg goes to negative. Now I am giving the connection. See, the light is glowing. Now I am going to show you a magic. See, the light is slowly turned off. That's all. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Adyan from Wiingy Robotics.